Hello everybody, it's Mr. Pearson here, and we're learning about division where the tens place cannot be divided evenly. So there's going to be a remainder in the tens place. Let's do a warm-up. Let's start by group counting. First, we're going to count by 2s all the way to 20. Then we're going to count by 3s to 30, 4s to 40, and 5s to 50. Ready? Go! All right. Good job. I'm in kind of a singing mood right now. Okay, good job. These are reviews from yesterday. We're going to do these in our head. 40 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2, then use both of these together to make this one. 40 divided by 2, what would that be? Well, if I have 40 and it's split into two groups, it would be 20 and 20, so each group would be 20. 8 divided by 2, 8 split into two groups, 4 and 4. So 40 divided by 2 is 20. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 48 divided by 2 is just like 40 divided by 2 and 8 divided by 2. So you've got your 20s and you've got your 4s. It would be 24. BTW, by the way, you could check all of these with multiplication because 40 divided by 2 is 20. 20 times 2 is 40. See how it's just backwards? 20 times 2 is 40. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. You can think about it like this. If you have 8 and divided into two groups is 4. That's also like 4. 2 times is 8. 8 split into 2. Each group is 4. And the same for the last one. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 24 times 2 is 48. Just like 48 divided by 2 is 24. I hope you got those. I bet you did. Let's do another one. 24 divided by 2. Decompose that. Do it with the tens place. Do it with the ones place. You've got this. Just pause it right here and finish up. Jot down your answer. All right, welcome back. I can't wait to see how you did. 24 divided by 2. Well, 24 is the same as 20 plus 4. So I'm going to do 20 divided by 2. And that would be 10 and 10, because 10 plus 10 is 20, or 10 2 times is 20. And 4 divided by 2 is 2, so I got 10 and 2, 12. 24 split into two groups would be 12. Any of you circle drawers out there doing it like this way? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Whew, man, not so efficient of a strategy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can prove it that way. Or circle drawers want to do it by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. until you get all the way up to 24. It would equal 12, and we could check it. 2 times 12 equals 24. You might remember this way. 24 divided by 2. 2 times what gets me close to 24? 2 times 12 is 24. Subtract, nothing left. So the answer is 12. Multiplying up. These are ones we did, or similar to the ones we did yesterday. Pause it and solve these problems. Dun, 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 dun. Go. All right, welcome back. It's Mr. Pearson here again. 36 divided by 3. 30 divided by 3 is 10. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Answer, 12. And I actually know 37 divided by 3 is just one more than 36 divided by 3. 36 to 37, so it's going to be just like this of 12, but there's going to be one more. It's going to be a remainder of 1. So that's this one. You could check it if you do your this way. 37 divided by 3. Let's see. 3 how many can I put in 3 groups to get to close to 37? Well, I could put 10 in each group. 10, 10, 10. That's like 3 times 10. That would get me to 30. So I still need to spread out 7 more. And I could put 2 in each group times 2. 2, 4, 6. So that would mean I have spread out 6 total. I've still got 1 left over, so the answer would be 12. And I've got 1 more. If I put it in either of these, it won't be equal. All right, keep going. 55 divided by 5. 11. 57 divided by 5. Same thing, but you're going to have 2 more. 11 remainder 2. 88 divided by 4. 22. Ooh, 87 divided by 4. This case is smaller than the last one. These ones got bigger. Let's think about this. 87 divided by 4. 80 divided by 4. 20. 7 divided by 4. I think I'm going to just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. No, I cannot do that. There will not work. 1 in each group with the remainder of 3. So it's 21. Remainder of 3. 96 divided by 3. 90 divided by 3. 30. Goes 30, 60, 90. 1, 2, 3. 6 divided by 3. 2, 4, 6. The answer is 32. Oh, another tricky one. It got smaller this time. 90 divided by 3. I already know that's 30. 5 divided by 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. No, won't be equal. Will not be equal. So it's 1. Remainder of 2. So we got 31. Remainder of 2. You did it. You did it. Check your work to see if you got the same. Maybe you did it another way. If you did, that's cool. It's cool to use different strategies. That's awesome. I like pictures. I like this way. Multiplying up. I like the picture way. Counting, tallies, all of it's good stuff. Next one. Let's apply your learning. It's like a real life problem. Audrey and her sister found 9 dimes and 8 pennies. Maybe they found it in the couch. I'm always finding stuff in my couch like that, pennies and dimes. If they share the money equally, how much will each sister get? What do you think? Try to solve the problem and go. What are you waiting for? Let's do it. I'm going to think about how I would solve this problem, and maybe yours will be different, but that's cool. I think 9 dimes, that's 90 cents. 8 pennies, that's 8 cents. This is just one way, so I know they've got 98 cents, and they're dividing it amongst 2 people, Audrey and her sister. So I'm thinking 98 cents, 9 dimes, 90, 8 pennies, 8 divided by 2 people for Audrey and her sister. If I do 90 divided by 2, it's a little bit tricky, because it would be like, here's Audrey and here's her sister. It would be like, you get 40, you get 40, that's 80. And if I do 10 to her, that would be 90, but I've got 10 left over. So I've got 40 and 40, 10 left over. I'm going to split that 10 up and say 5 and 5. 45 plus 45, that is 90. But then I've got the 8 more cents, and I can split that 8 divided by 2 and say 4 and 4. And so each of them gets 40 plus 5, 45, plus 4, 46, 47, 48, 49. Each one gets 49. That's my way. You might have a different way. If you do, it's cool. Whoops, 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 whoops. Try some of these ones now. 3 divided by 2, and then 30 divided by 2. Yeah, if you're doing 3 divided by 2, you got your 2. 1, 2, remainder 1. So that's 1, remainder 1. 30 divided by 2. It's like 10, 20, 30. Oh, there's 10, a remainder of 10. Nah, you can't do remainder of 10. That's too much left over. You could actually split that 10 up into these groups. Each one gets 5. So it would be 15. Remainder, nothing. There's nothing left over. And you could check it, because 15 plus 15 is 30. If you want to do it this way, this is one of my favorite ways, by the way. You say 2 times what? If we're multiplying up, like here we can do 15 times 2 is 30. 2 times what will get us close to be 30? Well, start with tens. If we put 10 in each of these, that would be 20. So we already multiplied up to be 20. And then say 2 times what will get us close to this rest of the 10 we have to distribute? 5. And that's the rest of, we distribute everything else. Answer, 15 altogether. First, we did 10 2 times. Then we did 5 2 times. 5 times 2, that was 10. And altogether we distributed 15. Answer, 15. You could do either one of these ones. Now try this one. 4 1s divided by 3, then 4 10s and 2 1s divided by 3. All right, 4 1s divided by 3, that's just 4 divided by 3. That's all that is. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody gets 1. There's 1 left over. 1 remainder 1. This is the quotient. 1. This is the remainder. 1. 4 10s. That's 40. 2 1s. That's 2. We're talking 42 divided by 3. All right, I got my 3. 1, 2, 3. 10, 20, 40. Oh, snap. Wait. 10, 20, 30, 40. I've got 10 left over, but I can distribute this 10 even more and be like, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. No. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. So I passed out 9. I still got 1 more I need to pass out. Plus I've got this 1. So I've got 3 more I need to pass out. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. So altogether it'll be 10 plus 2, 12, 13, 14. 14, 14, 14. Does that add up to be 42? 14 3 times? Is it equal? Well, 14 plus 14 is 28. 28 plus 14, 42. It is. It worked. Genius. And you can also do it this way. 42 divided by 3. Well, if I'm going to have 3 groups, what can I put in each of the 3 groups? maybe I'm going to start with 10. That would be 30. I have to distribute 12 more. Just put 4 in each group. I could have done that instead of this. And that would have been 12. Nothing left over. Answer is 14. Last one. Go for it. 8 tens and 4 ones divided by 3. And then 84 divided by 3 on the board. It's just 84 divided by 3. Let's do it this way. 84 divided by 3. Well, I got 3 groups. What can I put in each group? I'm going to say 20, because 20, 40, 60. I put 20 in each group, because I got 3 groups. I'm going to put 20 in each one. How much will I have left over? 24. I have 24 more to distribute still. And if I put, let's see, 8 in each, 3 times 8 is 24. Now I've distributed the rest of it. 28. That's the answer. There's not even anything left over on that one. Nice. Good job, everybody. I hope that you got that, and now you're going to do your packet. Have fun. See you later. Bye.